Hello, you magical people. Welcome back on Salt and Sugar Saga. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified for all the upcoming videos. Today, we are making a very easy and simple breakfast recipe which can be used as an appetizer recipe as well. Is rice veggie pancakes. These are so easy and delicious to make that you love to make in your kitchen all the time and so colorful that your kids love to eat them. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So what all we need to make these delicious veggie pancakes? Firstly, we need some onions, bell peppers or capsicum, corn kernels, carrots, green chilies. These all vegetables are as per your own choice. You can use any other seasonal vegetable as well, along with ginger and garlic. So we're gonna chop all the veggies. I have grated the ginger and carrot and crushed the garlic and chopped it, and rest of the veggies I have chopped finely. As I always tell, in pancakes or in chilas, finely chopped veggies always taste good. We do not have to pre-process these veggies because we need the crunch in that. And now, as you can see, I have these overnight soaked rice which I'm gonna grind it. These are the regular tukda basmati rice. You can take any variety of rice available at your home. If you'll soak these rice for at least 3 to 4 hours, that's also good. I got the time, so I have soaked them overnight. We're gonna add around half cup of water and grind it into a paste. As you can see, I'll show you right now. It's not a kind of smooth paste, it's very grainy. We don't want a very smooth paste, although we want little grains in them. So now I'm gonna add some boiled potatoes and grind them in the same rice batter. And now you can see the consistency. It's not that grainy. We're gonna transfer the whole batter into a bowl. And as you saw, I have added the boiled potatoes in the batter itself and grind it. That way you'll get a smooth batter rather than some grains of grated potato in your batter, and the consistency will also differ that way. So now we're gonna season it with some basic seasonings, salt, asafoetida. You can add salt according to your own taste. Some cumin seeds, these are regular cumin seeds, these are not roasted ones, and a little bit of garam masala. And now it's time to add all our diced veggies. See how many variety of colors, variety of nutrients you're going to provide to your kids. So this recipe is really healthy and doesn't have any junk in them. Do try it and let us know your reviews in the comment section down below. Now we're gonna mix it all really well. And after mixing it well, we're gonna keep it aside for some time. And after that, we're gonna add baking soda. And also, let me mention, I have also added red chili powder. It's optional. If you want to add that extra flavor of red chili powder, you can add, otherwise you can just skip it. And please mind that we have already added green chilies in them. So if you don't want to make that spicy, it's all up to you. Baking soda, and with that baking soda, please do add a teaspoon of water. It will be easy for you to mix that baking soda well in the batter. Now we're gonna brush the pan with little bit of oil, and when the pan is hot enough, we're gonna add a ladle full of batter and cook it on medium heat. And as you have noticed, we have some bubbles on the pancake. See how beautiful color. Let me show you how crispy it is. I guess that crisp sound is so good. So it's perfectly cooked. Now we're gonna make all our pancakes like that. Do enjoy all these pancakes with the chutneys. I have made a peanut chutney over here along with some green coriander chutney. If you want to make peanut chutney, recipe link is in the description box. Do check it and try it. As you can see how beautiful it is looking, nicely thick, perfectly cooked from the center, all the colorful veggies. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, take care, bye bye, and keep watching Salt and Sugar Saga.